everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are making a very simple corn salad. Now this one is a little different because it doesn't have a sauce on it. There is no mayo, no sour cream. This is pretty much vegetables with spices and a little bit of olive oil and lime juice. So, as you can see, here's my corn. I barbecued this morning and charred it so it's got this nice little charred marks right here, and it'll just make the salad really pretty. If you don't have a barbecue and you don't have the ability to barbecue your corn, then you can use canned corn, use the sweet kernel corn, or you can even use a frozen corn if you want it and just steam it in the microwave and measure it out and use that. So, I mean, you can always substitute. It's what makes life so interesting. So, have you got all your things ready to go? I have mine. And like I always say, let's get cooking. So our corn is all cooled off and ready to go. So we are going to go ahead and take the corn off the cobs. I would suggest a serrated knife. A regular knife has a tend to squish it. The way we did this corn is we just wrapped it in a piece of foil, put it on the grill for 15 minutes on one side, and then I flipped them and 15 minutes on the other. I left the corn husks on while they were barbecuing, and believe it or not, when I opened them up, it just came right off. I didn't have to peel or muss or fuss. It was super simple. Okay, once we get those broke up, it's time to put all of our ingredients in. All right, so what is going in here is our red pepper. These are Vidalia sweet onions. I have 10 to 12 baby tomatoes all cut up. I have a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. I have 1 can of black beans that I rinsed and drained. I'm going to take a 1/2 lime. Trick: before you hand squeeze a lime, roll it in your hand like this, or roll it on the counter like this. It just makes it easier when you're going to squeeze. I am going to use both halves because you want about a teaspoon and a half. And then we're going to use about a teaspoon and a 1/4 of cumin. About a tablespoon of really good extra virgin olive oil, some salt and some pepper. We're going to stir it up. It smells so good. The lime really added to it. Okay. I am going to pour this in my serving dish. And there you go. There's our corn salad. This is wonderful. You can eat it with anything, especially if you love corn. So that's it for today, our lovely corn salad. Thank you so much for coming and being with us today here on The Happiest Cook. And we look forward to having you come see us next week as we gather up our cooking ingredients and explore new fun things to cook in the kitchen. And if you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost anything. So anyway, I will see you next time on The Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking.